Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to keep your Signal stories private. If you want to share Signal stories without everyone seeing them, then here is how you do it. First of all, open up the Signal application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are logged into your Signal account, click on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Stories. You will then be able to see the Stories option. Simply go ahead and tap on My Story. Under Who can view this story, go ahead and select All Except and then select your contact from whom you would like to hide the story. Now once you are done, click on Save at the top right and then you will be able to share your story with everyone in your contact except the person that you just chose. So that is the only way you can keep your stories private on Signal application until now. You can also click on Only Share With and select any one contact you want to share the story with. You can then leave out all the other contacts when it comes to sharing stories. So that's how you can easily keep your Signal stories private. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.